What is the mystery of this universe? If you really ask me, what is the mystery of this universe? Okay, then someone would say that there are infinite. If universe is infinite, then there are infinite mystery of this universe. If if you really ask me what is the mystery of this universe, then I would say the way universe is infinite, the mystery of universe is also infinite. One of them is that if, if what people know, the fastest thing in the universe is the light, that is the electromagnetic radiation. This is what Einstein has also confirmed, that the fastest thing in the universe is electromagnetic radiation or light. Light travels at 3000 kilometers per second, 3 into 10 to the power 8, or 3 lakhs kilometers per second. The distance between Earth and Moon is 3 lakhs kilometers. So if someone lit a torch, okay, he lights a torch, then it will take 1 second light to reach the Moon. There is nothing faster to it, Einstein is saying. The distance between Earth and Mars, though it is changing always, Mars comes near and it goes far, but still, average distance is around 12 crore kilometer or 14, around 12 crore kilometer. 12 crore kilometer means 12 into 10, 120 million kilometer. That much is the. Now light travels at around 100 1.8 crore kilometer per hour. If it is per minute, so if you multiply 60 with 3, it will come as 1.8 crore kilometer per minute. If it is 12 meter, 12 crore kilometer, I'm not talking about million billion. In Indian way, it will be easy. If it is 12, then I believe it will be around 7 minute or 7 point something. Consider 7 minute only. So or 8 minute. So it will take around 8 minutes to reach a light from Earth to Mars. 8 minutes. So if someone has kept any electromagnetic receiver there on the Mars, and he is sending electrical signal, electromagnetic signal, it will take 8 minutes to reach there. And then if he replies immediately, then it will take. So 16 minutes is the time that is required for a light to travel. Now, not only that, there is a polar star that is 320 light year from the Earth. If someone pushes the light from Earth, it will take 320 years to reach the polar star. For from polar star, if light is coming, then it is 320 year it takes to reach the Earth. So, as per the today's science, then it can be said that the polar star, whatever light we are receiving in our eye, that light was radiated from the polar star 320 year back. Then only it is reaching the eye. This is the one of the biggest mystery of universe. Are we seeing the universe that is years and years that has already happened? Is that true? The answer is certainly not. In real time, we are seeing polar star. In real time, we are seeing Saptarishi, seven stars constellation, or the fighter one fighter person is there. I don't know what is that constellation is known, where he has a belt and one star here, one star on the toe and knee, and then like that there is a one warrior is there. I Okay, so there are many constellations you can see in the sky. Okay, so those light already happen and they coming to Earth. We are not seeing in real life. Is it true? Certainly not. Whatever is we are seeing in the universe, everything is real time. Then what is the science behind? If you talk about Einstein and the and the current science, then someone would immediately falsify me. That's not possible, sir. Miss, it is not possible. Fastest thing in the universe is light, and it takes 7 minutes for sunlight to come to Earth. 7 minutes. Then it whatever star we are seeing in Milky Way galaxy itself, there are stars which are 4,000 light year away from the Earth. So does it take 4,000 years, not 4,000 days, 4,000 years to come to the Earth? So means the light I am seeing for the polar star 320 year back means when light was emitted at that time I would not have born, and now I am seeing the light. Is that really real the case? If that is not, if that is the real case, then no need to go for any philosophy. Okay, but if it is not the real case, then what is the philosophy? Philosophy is that if you see any constellation also, the biggest philosophy is that Earth is moving, Sun is moving, everyone is moving. Universe is not static. If I say universe itself is not static, it is somewhere, it has oscillation, energy oscillation, that is true. No one is staying at that location. If I uplift a satellite, human-made satellite above the Earth and just keep it stationary there with respect to the universe, then Earth is rotating around the sun. Then Earth would rotate around the sun, and it will after 1 year it will come back to the same place, and then the satellite would be again the near to the Earth. Not true. Since sun is also moving, the satellite would miss the Earth forever. Okay, so if someone goes to space and he is missing his spacecraft that is rotating around the Earth. That's why spacecraft they rotate around the Earth. They should not miss the Earth. If that is, there are other philosophy also. But if that is the case, if he stays there, then he will miss the Earth forever. I don't know, miss probably 1,000 year or 10 to 20 if Earth happens to, because Earth, the kind of the situation of Earth is completely in hand of Sun. Sun taking all its kind of subsidiary, it is moving. So if that is the case, this is the one analogy. Second thing is, consider that I am watching two stars. One star I am watching that takes 1 second light is reaching to me. There is another star that is taking 1 year light to reach to me. Now both falls in a constellation. Both falls in a constellation that I see if this is one star, if this is one star, this is another star, then I always see them at kind of similar fashion. They are constellation. Even though if I see this constellation in the month of January, you can also try. Then you can see somewhere in the sky. If you go and watch this constellation again in the next January, their respective relative position will be similar, but they will not be the same location where you saw in the past January. They will be somewhere else. Typically, they will be moving toward west, east to west. This proves that solar system is moving. Earth is not coming back to the same location. Earth is moving. Okay, first analogy. Second analogy is that this in constellation, if you star constellation, the stars are not at the same height from the Earth. Even though there are 7 stars in Saptarishi, they are at different altitude from the Earth. Far, some one star in a constellation will be very far distance from the Earth, other will be near. But from eye, since everything you see small round shape, you feel that it looks like that they are at the same horizontal arena. But that is not the case. If that is the case, and if this star is moving, even though like this, okay, they are moving at respectively, but light is coming differently at different speed, then you will feel a mismatch. There is a high chance that someone would see the mismatch because light is coming. If it is radiating, it is different light or whatever it is, it will certainly, it will not be smooth. One thing. Second thing is that the far away light, if it is reaching after so many years, then light will be kind of dragged one. Like someone is showing the torch and he is moving, you will see the light will be dragged one. Or through a tube light, you see that light is coming from multiple source. So that kind of uh, thing it would show. So if there is a constellation and a star at different height from distance, different distance from the earth, and light is coming as per the light speed, light is coming from the light speed, then they are reaching earth at different time, then certainly there will be a hodgepodge condition, confusing condition as far as light is concerned, and light may not look round. With a star, they may not look round also. So it will be a situation where it will be like a confusing condition, but it is not the case. Everything is perfect in the sky. They look round, they look green, they look blue, they look yellow, no deviation, nothing. If they move in a same relative position, everything is perfect. This proves that this proves that the light, the what we are seeing, everything is real time. If everything is real time and light speed takes hundreds of years or thousands of years reach our eye, then this is certainly not true. Means if I see a star, that if I see the star, there is a high chance that star is not existing at all. Star is died and still light is coming. Not possible. If that is the case, then what is the reality? What is the reality? There is a science called yoga science, and that science is demonstrated by King Krishna in Gita, where he talks about everything starts from you. If you want to understand universe, then universe begins from you, within you. First you understand yourself, then only you will understand the universe. If human do not understand itself, that is a question. Now, these people, the nowadays people, the scientists, the way they are making false statement about universe, now it is kind of they are pushing a wrong thing in people's brain. If they are right, then how much they understand the human body? If everything starts from within yourself, then if that statement is true, then is it not that human body is exact replica of universe? If that philosophy is true of King Krishna, then is it not that this philosophy, this human body is exact replica of universe? If I say whatever you are seeing in the daytime, the brightening one, that is sun, whatever see in night, brightening one, that is moon, there far can you see Mars, that far can you see Saturn, that far can you see the Jupiter, that much a human can see. But beyond Jupiter, can you see Uranus? No one can see. At the Uranus, there is a wall. Okay, Uranus, there is a wall. Just think that someone has constructed a spherical wall at the Uranus. Just go in the night in the sky, and since Uranus is not seen, the wall is not also not seen, and that is there is a wall. Your brain will crack if someone really come to know that beyond Jupiter the universe ends. Universe is up to Jupiter only. That is the guaranteed that I can see. Beyond that there is a wall. Your brain will break. Means human brain, it goes, it actually it spans full universe. That's why Krishna says in Gita, universe is infinite, otherwise human would die. So he thinks that whatever he is seeing, that is the earth, and above it, it is infinite. If he come to know that at this distance, universe is ending, his brain will break. This proves that human body is a replica of universe. That is very much true. Human mind goes full, it spans full in the universe. There is no end of universe. This is what Krishna talks in Gita. This proves that human body is also very, very complicated. It's not that straightforward. And that is the truth that today allopathic science, they don't know any medicine of any disease. How they are, the way they are falsifying the universe, that light, there is nothing higher speed to the light. Same way they are falsifying people also, that we will treat cancer, we will treat this, we will treat that, just get admitted into the hospital and just pass through our this test, that test. Boss, you don't know anything. If you don't know anything in universe, only through telescope you see, then you don't know anything about the human body also. Stop falsifying people. I don't know. There is a gland somewhere here. I don't know what. I'm not a doctor. There is somewhere gland, some gland here. If someone is going through severe cold repeatedly, then this gland swells. Then what allopathic doctor would do? They will cut this gland. If if someone tonsil, if tonsil is always grown, if tonsil is always grown because of the cold, and person is feeling problem because tonsil is growing because of cold, they'll cut the tonsil and then they will feed ice cream in the mouth saying you don't have any problem. Since you had problem because of the tonsil, I cut the tonsil. Now you don't have any problem. You can eat ice. First problem was because body was passing through severe. Always it has cold. It is body problem, and tonsil is just a sign that it is showing that it is cold. You have to treat the cold nature of the body rather than cutting the tonsil. Okay, this is modern science. Same way their calculus is, same way their universe philosophy is, same way their body is. We will talk about it. So, what is the concept that we can see star at real time? Why allopath cannot treat even a single cold problem? Even I have heard that there was one United States president. I believe he was Washington or he was someone else. It was not Washington because he was killed in assassination. So someone, some president was there. I don't remember who was, or if Washington was not killed in assassination. I'm not sure about it. But there was one president uh, of United States, and he was suffering from fever that was chronic. He was never coming out of the fever. Then doctors, they checked the blood and they felt that blood is dirty. Because blood is dirty in one vein, that's why so they cut the vein so that dirty blood would come out. Blood came out to an extent that he died. Okay, if you don't know even ABCD of the body, what you will understand the universe? This is a simple proof that human do not understand anything beyond whatever its eye cannot see. But truth is that bigger thing, it goes beyond the eye. It goes beyond the human brain also. This is what Krishna talks in Gita, that there are Ashta Navadwara. So Ashchakra Navadwara. Now Dwar means Indriya. There are 9 gates. So in the Indriya like tongue is an Indriya which senses, like eye, nose, ear. He adds in the Indriya mind also. Man, he says that I am adding human brain also. So human brain also has limitation and it cannot go beyond a level. So if someone is suffering from fever, then cut a vein and and bad blood would come out of the vein or artery, I don't know what it is, and then he would start improving. And the president is dying. Now think about how they are falsifying people. Anyway, we will talk about it, that how someone can see, someone is really seeing the universe at real time. We'll talk in the present scenarios. I will not go with some adhyatma science and this science. I have heard people saying that universe is, if I talk about the universe, then there is a double universe. Whatever the size of universe, that is adhyatmic universe. The two double size of this universe, there is a another universe, that is a spiritual universe. This is physical universe, that is a spiritual universe. I won't talk anything like that. Everything physical only good, but it should be possible. How it is, we will talk on it.